since I got the scissor lift here, anyway, I'm just thinking all these beams up the top here, they're all covered in dust and everything and cobwebs, and so there'll be a lot of dust sitting in that C channel. So I think I'll get the jetter out, and as you can see, I've moved I got all the shelving and stuff. I got them all on wheels, paid a bit extra, except that one at the back there. I just have to cover that in black plastic or something. Just still stuff I got to sort out properly and get some drawers for it or something. So I'll cover that in black plastic, and then I'll go up on the roof there with the scissor lift and just give everything a good spray down, clean up all those beams and everything. So then in the future, if I ever get the chance, you know, and have the money to paint the walls, because I'd really love to do that one of these days, is get the walls painted, then I know there's not going to be any dust falling from upstairs. So I've got everything that I could out so far, as you can see. Push the trailer down here. Might just cover up that box of wood and stuff that we're going to burn one of these days. And then I can start, as you can see, it all just sort of goes on my movable shelving, which is pretty good. So I just chucked it out here. And then, yeah, so I'll get the scissor lift to get the jetter going, and then try and do as much as I can today before I got to bring the scissor lift back. Alrighty. All right, I'm done. A lot of stuff up there that's coming off. You can just see it run down the walls and stuff. So the build up for 20 years of dust. So it's really nice to get it all sorted and get it washed. The smell inside the factory now is like that summer rain, you know, when there's that dusty smell when it first rains. That's what it looks like. But give you a look when it's all done. So see how the water's pooling on the floor a bit? That means that you know, if I ever wanted to paint the floor, which I do eventually want to paint it, they'd have to grind it back, because the like the, you know, whatever that stuff is they use, the epoxy resin has to, like, you know, get into the you know, the concrete has to be a little bit porous to grip, and if I put it just straight onto this, it would just come off. So it must be, you know, oil or whatever over the years or something. So cherry picker, scissor lift was awesome. So thanks to the Perth Hire Shop for that. So yeah, it's looking good now. Now the floor's all clean and everything. So just that black plastic there was just to keep the water off. So now that's done, we can start. I might just have a break, have some lunch, because all these C channels are stripping a little bit from a few joints, you know, just because it's washed it off. So I might let that go for another half an hour, just have some lunch, and then I'll get back into start pushing everything back in there. And then yeah, other thing I need to do too, there's a lot of like these airlines, plastic airlines that are running up along that beam there. You see that it's all cable tied all the way up and then goes across. So I want to cut all that down, get all that down as well, just so it's not hanging up there. And I don't know what this wire is at the back here. Probably have to take that down as well. I don't think it's doing anything. So just get it down out of the way so I don't have to worry about it anymore. And a pair of shoes up there that I wouldn't mind getting down as well. Hopefully they're my size. Just joking. All right, catch ya.